Today I'm feeling very hungry, so let's eat something. So guys, here is our Manchurian with this chowmin. Look at this, yum. So let's give it a taste. Guys, I tried this Manchurian, it is so yummy. And this is the chowmin. Chowmin is good, I like it. The friend is started very. Chowmin is very amazing. I'm eating chowmin. It is too good. Yum. So let's dip this in the Manchurian. Mm. Yummy. I like it. It is too amazing and very spicy also, yeah. Okay, yum. We are eating in the dhaba. It's very amazing dhaba. And yes, let me tell you, let's eat it with the Manchurian ball. So guys, here you can see. Let's have it a try. Siddhi, do you like it?
Yes, I am eating chowmin also.
Eat it with this Manchurian ball. Do you like Manchurian ball?
No, but
Okay, then give it to me. I like it so much. Okay.
I eat and try. This dhaba is very nice Manchurian ball. Nice. I realize it is very nice.
So guys, as you can see, I'm eating.
Very spicy Manchurian.
The chowmin is also very spicy. I don't know what is this. Siddhi, do you know?
No, I don't know. I don't know.
I like it. Let's just take this off. Some juice on the chowmin. And yum. I like it. Such a big bite.
It is very nice dhaba. So friend, this dhaba is a nice quality.
Look at this. I like it so much, guys.
I finished it two nice chowmin and Manchurian. I am eating this juice. Yummy, very yummy. ये ढाबा तो फ्रेंड्स बहुत अमेजिंग है. प्लीज़ आप इस ढाबा पे आइए और ज़रूर खाइएगा.